Hi everyone, here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System. Here on the third position we've got date and time. So let's click on it, and as you can see we've got some options to customize. First of all, we've got set date and time automatically. To turn it off, click on the switcher right here. And as you can see now we've got the date, time and time zone activated, so we can do it manually. Let's click on date and choose the date you want. The same situation is with the time. Simply swipe to choose something, click on OK, and as you can see it immediately changes. The same situation is with the time zone. You can choose whatever you want, for example this one, and it changes also at the same time. As you can see, you can also choose if you want to use 24-hour format like now or 12-hour format. To use 12-hour format, simply click on the switcher. What's more, if you want to get back to the previous options, simply click on the switcher here, and from now on the hour will be set automatically. So that's all. This is how you customize and set date and time in your LG Velvet. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.